15th question is, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0 touch each other. Also find point of contact and common tangent at the point of contact. So in order to find the point of contact, we should know their center distances and the sum of the radius, right? So first we'll find the center and radius of two circles. Solution: given circles S is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0 and S dash equals to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equals to 0. Centers and radii we have to find, right? Radius, ruler, radii. So first C1 is equals to minus g comma minus f, which is equals to, here it is minus 4 the coefficient of x, right? So it is 2g is equals to minus 4, g is equals to minus 2. So the C1 value will be, this is negative, here also it is negative, so this becomes positive. And 2f is equals to minus 6, so f is equals to minus 3. So this is positive of 3. And finding the radius, r1 is equals to root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equals to root of minus 2 square plus minus 3 square, and the c value is minus 12, so minus of minus is plus 12. So r1 is equals to root of 4 plus 9 plus 12, which is equals to root 25, which is equals to 5. Now we have to find the C2 and R2. So C2 is equals to minus g comma minus f. So the value of 2g is equals to the coefficient of x is 6 here, so g is equals to 3. So C2 is equals to, here it will be minus 3, and 2f is equals to 18 here, so f is equals to 9, so this will be minus 9. R2 is equals to root of, so the g value is minus 3 square plus the f value is minus 9 square and the c value is 26, so here it is minus 26. Okay, so r2 is equals to 3 square is 9, 9 square is 81 minus 26 is equals to root of 64, which is equals to 8, right? So the r2 value is 8 here. So we will find the distance between the two circles, which is C1 and C2. So C1 C2 is equals to root of, this will be x1 y1 and x2 y2. So it is 2 plus 3 square plus 3 plus 9 square, which is equals to root of 5 square plus 12 square, right? Which is equals to root of 25 plus 144, which is equals to root of 169, and which is equals to 13. And now we'll find the radius sum, so which is 5 plus 8, right? R1 value is 5, R2 value is 8, which is equals to 13. So C1 C2 distance is also 13, which is equals to R1 plus R2. Therefore two circles touch each other externally, right? And the point of contact P divides C1 C2 internally in the ratio 5:8. So in order to find the point of contact, we have to use the section formula, which is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here m and n is the ratio of our radius and c1 c2 are the centers. Okay, so which are the x1 y1 and x2 y2. So here we'll substitute. The value of m is 5 into the x2 is minus 3 plus n is 8 into x1 is 2 by 5 plus 8 comma 5 into y2 is minus 9 plus 8 into y1 is 3 by 5 plus 8. This is equals to 5 into 3 is 15 plus 8 into 2 is 16 by 5 plus 8 is 13, and here minus 45 plus 8 into 3 is 24 by 13, which is equals to 1 by 13 comma minus 21 by 13. We got the point of contact. Now we have to find equation of common tangent, which is equals to s minus s dash is equals to 0. So this is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 minus x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equals to 0. So this x square y square gets cancelled out. We'll get minus 4x minus 6y minus 12, multiplying negative inside, so it is minus 6x minus 18y minus 26 equals to 0. So this is equals to 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 10x, 18 plus 6 is 24y, and minus 12 minus 26 is minus 38 equals to 0. Taking minus 2 common, so we'll get 5x plus 12y plus 19 equals to 0. So our equation is 5x plus 12y plus 19 equals to 0 is our answer. Our 16th question is, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x minus 16y equal to 0 touch each other. Also find the point of contact and common tangent at this point of contact. So this is the similar problem as our last question. So we'll find the radius and the center first of the given two circles. Given circles S is equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 equals to 0, and S dash is equals to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 16y equals to 0. So the value of C1 is equals to minus g comma minus f, which can be given by 2g is equals to, here the coefficient of x is minus 6, so g is equals to minus 3. So C1 will become the positive of g, and 2f is equals to minus 9, so f is equals to minus 9 by 2. So this will become positive 9 by 2. And r1 is equals to root of g square plus f square minus c. Therefore it is equals to minus 3 square plus minus 9 by 2 square, and the value of c is here minus 13. Okay, so r1 is equals to root of 9 plus 81 by 4 minus 13. Taking the LCM will get 9 into 4 is 36 plus 81 minus 13 into 4 is 52 by 4, which is equals to root 65 by 4. Root is 2, so I'm writing 2. Now we'll find the value of C2 minus G comma minus F. So here the value of 2G is equals to minus 2 here, so G is equals to minus 1. So the C2 value of G will become the positive 1, and for F it is minus 16. So F is equals to minus 8, so here it will be plus 8. Now finding R2, So R2 is equals to root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equals to minus 1 square minus plus of minus 8 square, and there is no c term, right? There is no c in our second circle, so it is 0. So this is equals to 1 plus 64, which is equals to root 65. Now we'll find the distance between C1 and C2, which is equals to under root of 3 minus 1 square plus 9 by 2 minus 8 square, which is equals to root of 3 minus 1 is 2 square plus 9 minus 16 by 2, taking LCM, right? So this is equals to under root of 2 square is 4 plus 16 minus 9 is minus 7 by 2 square, which is equals to root of 4 plus 49 by 4, which is equals to root 16 plus 49 by 4, which is equals to root 65 by root 4 value is 2 here. So now finding R1 is to R2, which is equals to root 65 by 2. The value of R1 and the value of R2 is root 65. Cancelling out root 65 on both sides, we'll get 1 by 2 is equals to 1. If you multiply, it is 1 is to 2, the ratio. So here the condition is C1 C2 is equals to modulus of R1 minus R2. So the circles touches internally. So point P divides externally. So substitute in the section formula the value of C1, C2 and the ratio 1 is to 2 of R1 and R2 will get 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3 by 1 minus 2, comma 1 into 8 minus 2 into 9 by 2, comma 1 minus 2. This 2 gets cancelled out, we'll get 1 minus 2 into 3 is 6 by minus 1 and 8 minus 9 by minus 1. So this is the point of contact is equals to minus 5 by minus 1 and minus 1 by minus 1. So the negatives gets cancelled out. So we'll get 5 comma 1. Now equation of common tangent is s minus s dash equals to 0, which is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 13 minus x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y equals to 0. So this is equals to x square and y square gets cancelled out. So it is minus 6x minus 9y plus 13. So negative of negative is positive 2x and positive 16y equals to 0. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4x and 16 minus 9 is plus 7y and plus 13 equals to 0. Taking negative common will get 4x minus 7y minus 13 equals to 0. So our equation is 4x minus 7y minus 13 equals to 0 is the answer. Thanks for watching.